Hey guys, I thought I'd just share with you my views. I'm at Papago Park, 90 degrees, almost at sunset. Crazy. I have not been out and about in nature for weeks, so I needed to take myself on a little hike. A very little hike, but definitely sitting up on this hill. Just really taking it all in and being grateful for this moment that I have right now. Talk about self-care. Just feels so good. It's spring, it's hotter than it's supposed to be, and I was fearful that I would miss spring bloom, which is going on now. It might end sooner than later because of the heat. So even though I was feeling a bit tired, I made myself get out. Sometimes you just have to do that. I don't regret it. I won't regret it later. I would have regretted not coming out. The breeze is nice, so the heat doesn't feel so bad. Lots of animals singing, people talking, airplanes flying in. It's pretty awesome. Just exactly what I needed right now. An end to a pretty perfect day. I hope you guys are all having a great day. And doing something that makes you happy. Until next time.